there.
Get your head. Ah! Are we videotaping this? Nice! Okay, let's put some shampoo.
Move, safe,
Oh my God, it looks...
move.
Oh, I put too much.
No.
Okay, there's way too much here. That's okay.
Oh well, okay, just put it on.
It's like a 7-people job for this. Oh,
Oh, thanks, Kyle. Oh, my sweater's getting all wet. It's my eye!
Aw.
My eye! It's in my eye! It's in my eye! No, it's in the doing! What's the eye?
Apparently it's in her eye.
Bitch. That was me. Yeah, that was me.
It was?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, that's okay.
I have soap all over my sweater now.
So good. Gotta wash this with a soap.
The soap's not coming out of Paris.
Good. Good, I hope it
Here,
doesn't.
put your head underneath the water. Ooh. Good times, good times.
Got it. Can't forget conditioner.
No, you cannot. Not with her hair. Here. Fuck you.
You look like a mom. I got that yesterday.
Here.
No, I don't have the soap on the
I
front
don't
of your
fucking
head.
care.
Here, the soap's not coming out.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter about Tara's hair.
Doesn't matter about the face.
Fuck your mom.
My mother does.